What is going on, guys? RNG back at you with another video. Got Rainy here with me.
What's up, guys and gals?
And you know what we ripping. We got 2017-18 Prizm basketball, 12 cards per pack, 12 packs per box. We're looking for 2 autographs. And looking for the Prizms, man. Looking for the Prizms.
Looking for the Prizm, so let's rip it up. No whammies.
Rip it up, no whammies. Let's see what we got. You know, when you, other day when we did that last box, I did the shuffle, man. It seemed to help out. So so we're gonna try the shuffle again, see what we got. All right, and here we go. All right, we'll start off with Steph's brother, Dion Waiters, Isaiah Thomas, Thon Maker, Damian Lillard, J.R. Smith. We got a Nikola Vucevic fundamentals. Got a Get Hyped Isaiah Thomas. Got a, oh wow, that's cool, Hyper fundamentals Karl Anthony Towns. I don't think you got you. I think we pulled the red shimmer. Remember?
Yeah, that's what it was.
Danilo Gallinari, Courtney Lee, Kemba Walker. Yeah, I think that's a new little PC edition for you there.
Yes,
All right, we got Marquise Chris, George Hill, Frank Vogel, Michael Malone, Solomon Hill, Jeremy Lin. Got a Kawhi Leonard fundamentals. We got a Get Hyped Draymond Green. Got a Danilo Gallinari. That's a Mojo, numbered at 25. 14 to 25, Danilo Gallinari, Mojo Prizm.
very nice.
These things look so sick in person.
Yeah, they do.
Austin Rivers, Chris Dunn, and Danny Green. Got Norman Powell, J.J. Barea, John Collins rookie card, Jamal Murray, Frank Jackson rookie card. Oh, look at that. 5th overall, look at the lottery, De'Aaron Fox.
Oh, there we go. Okay, this half is treating us better.
Yeah, so we got a Bam Adebayo Emergent. We got a Pascal Siakam Hyper. Earl Watson, Ruby Wave. Trevor Ariza, Sindarius Thornwell rookie card, and Darren Collison. Yeah, look at their lottery. It's a nice little hit there.
Yeah.
Got a Carl White rookie card. Evan Fournier, Jonas Valanciunas, Giannis, Jason Smith, Jay Crowder, C.J. McCollum fundamentals. Got a Goran Dragic silver Prizm. Got a blue ice Karl Anthony Towns.
That's what I'm talking about.
Numbered to 99. That's a sick card, dude.
That is nasty.
That is nice. I got a Damian Dotson rookie card. Jordan Clarkson and Zach LaVine. All right, we got a Goran Dragic, Jaylen Brown, Pascal Siakam, Czech Diallo, Tony Snell, Scott Brooks. We got a fundamentals of Goran Dragic. We got a Hyper Prizm of Jaylen Brown.
Pretty sick card.
We got a Ruby Wave of Marcus Smart, Tim Hardaway Jr., Nate McMillan, and Julius Randle. We got Dirk Nowitzki, Sean Livingston, J.J. Redick, Iman Shumpert, Damari Carroll, Joe Ingles. We got an OG
there we
OG rookie auto.
There we go.
Nice little card.
Yeah.
Got a silver Prizm of Wesley Matthews. Got a hyper emergent Frank Tilikina. People love this guy. I think it's because he's in New York, but
Yeah.
Bobby Portis, Ben McLemore, and Russell Westbrook. All right, we got Serge Ibaka, Harrison Barnes, Terry Rozier, Nikola Jokic, Rajon Rondo. Got a rookie card of DJ Wilson. Got a Luke Kennard Emergent. Got a silver Prizm of Pascal Siakam. Got a blue of OG number to 199 rookie card. DeAndre Jordan, Kristaps Porzingis, and Domantas Sabonis. Yeah, hitting the OG in this box, man. We got Tyson Chandler, Dwight Powell, Steve Kerr, Timofey Mozgov, Rudy Gobert, Luke Kennard rookie card. Got an Emergent of TJ Leaf. Got a Hyper of Goran Dragic. Got a Ruby Wave of Hassan Whiteside, Larry Nance Jr., Denzel Valentine, and Mark Gasol. 4 packs left. We got Robert Covington, Dragon Bender, De'Aaron Fox, Etwan Moore, Malcolm Brogdon, Alan Crabb. Got a Fundamentals of Carmelo Anthony. Got a silver Prizm of Andrew Wiggins. Got a purple of Lou Williams, that is number 275. Enes Kanter, Doc Rivers, and Kuzminskas. 3 more packs.
Come on.
Andrew Wiggins, OG, Wesley Matthews, Dennis Schroeder, Budenholzer, Tyler Lydon rookie card, Justin Patton Emergent, OG Silver Prizm. This is the OG box, man. That is sick, dude. Derek Favors blue to 199. Pop, Clint Capella, and Jawan Evans. Have we hit both of our autos, or did we just hit the OG? I can't remember.
Your guess is good.
I think we got one. We might have one in this pack right here. Tom Thibodeau, David West, Jaleel Okafor, Jarrett Allen, Dante Exum, Jameer Nelson, and Justin Patton. Justin Patton rookie auto.
Nice.
We got a Jaylen Brown silver. Oh, look at that. Orange Jason Tatum to 49.
Oh, there we go.
Wow, dude.
There we go.
34 of 49. Jason Tatum orange. That is a hit. Rookie card of Ivan Robb, Mike D'Antoni, and Brandon Ingram.
This case was backloaded.
Yes.
I don't know how you set it up, dude.
I did it. I did it on purpose. And last pack, guys, we got a TJ Warren, Skal Labissiere, Jonathan Simmons, Kyrie Irving, Terry Stotts, Kent Bazemore. Got a Fundamentals of Russell Westbrook. Got a Hyper Prizm of Dirk. Got a Ruby Wave Justin Jackson rookie card. Dwayne Wade, Derek White rookie card, and Chinanu Anuwaku. Well, that does it for the video, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe. As always, we'll be coming at you with more videos very soon. So until next time, y'all keep ripping.